options are specific to AWS. There are on-demand service, which means the moment you wish, you create the service. You do not have to wait for certain amount of time for the artilleries to come in the data center and assemble them and bring it up, and then remote connection to be there, and then the service being ready. No, I want the service now. I'm creating it right now because everything is fully managed and provided to us as a hotcake by AWS. The next one is scheduled. Scheduled means if I want a service at a given timestamp, let's say 2 a.m. I want it to be created and 3 a.m. I want it to be deleted. The service will get created at that timestamp. The monetary charges on this would be specific to the timestamp when was it created. And on-demand services, the pricing is done per second billing. So for example, I have created a service for 30 minutes. So 30 into 60 seconds into $0.1 would be the charges levied. The third one comes reserved. Mostly any organization go with reserved instance. Reserved instance means I am creating a service and reserving it for next 3 years. It's similar to like taking a house on lease instead of paying rent on monthly basis. It's pretty much cheaper if I compare it with other services. The next one is spot bidding. Spot bidding is quite catchy. It inherits the concept of bidding and price fluctuation. Let's say for an example, I'm selling a mobile phone with a base price of 10,000. A person gives me 12,000, another person gives me 14. Whom should I give the phone? Obviously 14,000. But the question is, why did they charge? Why were they ready to give me more money? The reason is because the demand was high and the supply was limited. So the person who wanted, who was more eager to take it, took it out. So that's what happens. I will set a configuration and set the price. I will bid a price that I need this configuration with $2 for 1 hour. Amazon would be ready to provide it to me. However, Amazon will scan who is giving me more money. The person who is giving me more money would get that configuration. And once that person uses after 1 hour, it would be deallocated from him and then given to me. So in spot bidding, there is a guarantee you'll get the machine with the price that you have set, but there's no guarantee that you'll get it immediately. And the next one is dedicated. Dedicated defines the tenancy. That means instead of shared infra, if you want to go with dedicated, you can go ahead with it. Instead of renting out a room in PG, it is like renting out an entire house. So that would be pretty much expensive. So that's the purchasing options provided by Amazon Web Services. And using this purchasing options, we would be building different services, be it EC2, be it another computation part, be it your S3 buckets or anything else like CloudWatch. We've got RDS, we have got DynamoDB, we have got VPC, we have got multiple other services. So now we would be proceeding with understanding different other services of AWS Amazon Web Services. Thank you.